Google is aiming to create a revolutionary consumer quantum chip as part of their quest to transform technology as we know it. By the end of the decade, the tech giant hopes to have a practical, error-corrected quantum computer. This goal was just revealed in a blog post. This quantum leap has the potential to address significant global issues including food security, climate change, and even medical transformation. A quantum data center, research labs, and state-of-the-art chip fabrication facilities are all part of Google's state-of-the-art quantum AI complex, which is tucked away near Santa Barbara and represents a paradigm leap in computing. According to the Wall Street Journal, Google is spending billions on this project in an effort to realize this quantum fantasy. However, the race is on as rivals examine Google's advancements and present their own viewpoints on the route to quantum dominance. Come explore the fascinating realm of qubits, where the possibilities are endless and information is not constrained by the binary. This is a quantum leap rather than merely a technological one. A thrilling voyage into the computer future awaits you if you stay tuned. The quantum race just got hotter, so hold on tight. Introducing Atlantic Quantum, a vibrant young company that is changing the game in the field of quantum computing. These quantum pioneers, who emerged from MIT's sacred halls, have unlocked a revolutionary new architecture that has the potential to alter the course of history. This is a quantum revolution rather than merely a quantum jump. Imagine this: a quantum computer with incredibly low error rates compared to its industry peers, in addition to having blazingly fast processing speeds. Yes, Atlantic Quantum has released a shocking study that demonstrates their state-of-the-art circuit architecture, which surpasses the benchmarks set by industry titans like Google and IBM. This is the emergence of quantum perfection, not merely innovation. Atlantic Quantum's steadfast dedication to scalability is what makes them unique. Atlantic Quantum has figured out how to scale their quantum machines while the major competitors are struggling with the problem. We're on the verge of a quantum computing revolution that isn't limited to the lab, but is prepared to take on the world because of their architecture's seamless scalability. But, people, that's not all. Atlantic Quantum is continuing to push the envelope. In addition to solving the most difficult computational issues, its quantum computer is expected to open up new avenues for research in domains such as material science, medication development, and climate prediction. Imagine a world in which innovations occur at a rate we never imagined was feasible. That it's Atlantic Quantum, not science fiction. The group behind this innovative firm is a formidable force. This quantum revolution is being propelled by brilliant brains that emerged from MIT's prestigious halls. With each line of code and circuit connection, they are not just rewriting the future, but also influencing it. Let's speak about numbers now. The quantum architecture of Atlantic Quantum is quite amazing. Precision is more important than speed alone. It's a game changer since fewer mistakes translate into more accurate results. Atlantic Quantum is raising the bar for quantum excellence with each experiment and computation. The exciting part comes next. They have only just begun. The future is bright, and Atlantic Quantum is at the forefront of a quantum revolution that will transform industries, speed up scientific research, and completely alter the way we live. That it's more than just a startup. We are present to observe the creation of history, and this is a quantum powerhouse. So buckle up, because Atlantic Quantum is going to take us on a journey into the computer future. The greatest is still to come, so stay tuned. Such as when we grow in the future. As of right now, we have just completed the beyond classical experiment and are moving on to the next milestones, which include building an error-corrected logical qubit and, eventually, an error-corrected quantum computer. And we also consider quantum computing to be something that may require a 10-year commitment. This human tool will be at the other end of it. And I believe it's a significant component of that kind of creativity that transcends the inventiveness of scientists and artists. In actuality, it's a sort of hybrid of the two. The future is here, so hold on to your seats. Google is making great strides toward a groundbreaking objective, a consumer quantum device that will astonish everyone by 2029. Imagine a society in which intricate computations are not only incredibly quick, but also nearly instantaneous. From revolutionizing healthcare to accelerating climate research, this quantum marvel promises to have an impact on every aspect of our existence. Imagine a medical revolution driven by quantum technology, where individualized DNA-based diagnostics and therapies usher in a new era of personalized medicine that we're only beginning to explore the incredible array of possibilities. But people, that's not all. Hold on tight, since there are countless possible uses that we're talking about transforming energy harvesting with a Google quantum device. Imagine having batteries that can run our cars and homes for months at a time, without constantly needing to be recharged. Speaking of energy, imagine a future in which the generation of carbon-neutral fertilizer is the standard, contributing to the fight against climate change in ways we previously could only imagine. The effect on artificial intelligence is very remarkable. Imagine deep learning algorithms with supercharged capabilities that can comprehend and learn from data at a never-before-seen pace. Thanks to the capabilities of quantum computing, the era of really intelligent machines is rapidly approaching. And that's not all. Infinite scientific discoveries are made possible by the unprecedented accuracy of molecular simulation. The potential is astounding, ranging from inventing life-saving medications to producing innovative materials. Let's speak about numbers now. Google's quantum chip, which has an astounding 1 million qubits, is expected to be powerful. People, that is a game changer. Google is working tirelessly to minimize errors and perfect every qubit in order to reach that goal. The objective? To create the foundation for what is being referred to as the quantum transistor, a future building block, by combining an enormous 1,000 physical qubits into a single logical qubit. This is a technical revolution. To put it simply, the exciting part comes next. Hartmut Nevin, a bright scientist, leads Google's visionary team, which feels they are at a turning point. The roadmap has been established, and they have cracked the code. There is a lot of confidence, and we are getting closer to a day when quantum computing will be used on a daily basis. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright. Hold on tight, because you're going to be right there with us as we watch history being made that don't merely observe from a distance. Join this revolution in quantum mechanics, because this is only the beginning. Stay tuned. Point 2 Titans are rising in the exciting field of quantum computing. Google's bold goal of creating a consumer quantum chip by 2029 and the innovative business Atlantic Quantum, which sprang from MIT state-of-the-art research. With a hypothetical 1 million qubit machine, Google's quantum AI program, headed by the visionary Hartmut Nevin, is set to change technology and address global issues while transforming industries. That a quantum revolution that is not only imminent, but is actually redefining the quantum race is hinted at by Atlantic Quantum's innovative design, which boasts substantially fewer mistakes than industry standards. The goal of consumer quantum computers is gradually coming true as both organizations work to push the limits of quantum excellence, indicating that quantum computing will eventually play a significant role in our everyday lives.